Hey guys, get unready with me. If you guys could tell, I'm sleepy. I have been like so busy today running errands, whatever, preparing for tomorrow, packing. Thankfully, I can just like relax and talk to you guys. I have a lot of stuff to just talk to you guys about. So first off, thank you guys so much for 30K. I'm actually so grateful. All my skincare and stuff is packed because I'm going on a camping trip for Thanksgiving tomorrow. And if you guys look behind me, I set up this really cute Christmas tree. I'm getting in the spirit. I got these. I meant to say I got these new press-ons today. They're super cute. They'll work until I actually get nails. Also, I got this new spray. Feels very refreshing. I just realized I started putting this stuff away, but I actually need to put it back in my suitcase. I'm just such a little silly goose. But let me know what you guys are doing for Thanksgiving. Me and my family, we're going camping, and then we're gonna have Thanksgiving dinner, and then our friends are coming the next day, so that will be fun. I hope everybody has a great Thanksgiving. Don't mind my dogs in the back. I don't know what they're doing, but they're just there being cuties. And guys, also let me know what type of content you would like to see while I'm at camping. I feel like I can make a lot of cute things. I just like, what would you guys like to see? My biggest pet peeve is when I'm putting on nails with like nail glue. I get the nail glue all over my hands and it feels so uncomfortable. That's it. Bye. Love you guys. Happy Thanksgiving.